Welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore the different parts that make up an angle. Specifically, we will learn about the vertex and the sides. Let's get started. First, let us understand what an angle actually is. An angle is formed when two rays meet at a single, common endpoint. Think of it like a corner where two lines connect. The most important point of an angle is called the vertex. The vertex is that common endpoint where the two rays meet. It is basically the corner of the angle. Now let's look at the lines themselves. The two rays that form the angle are called the sides. Remember, since they are rays, they start at the vertex and extend infinitely in one direction. Here we can see both parts together. The red dot represents the vertex, which is the starting point. The blue lines are the sides, extending outwards. Together, they form the angle. It is important to remember that the sides are rays. A ray is a part of a line that has a fixed starting point but no endpoint. So, the sides of an angle go on forever in the direction of the arrow. We can name an angle in a few different ways. The simplest way is to use the name of the vertex. If the vertex is point B, we can simply call it angle B. For more precision, we can use 3 points to name the angle. We take a point from one side, then the vertex, and then a point from the other side. For example, angle ABC. Notice that the vertex, B, is always in the middle. Let's practice what we have learned. Look at this image. Can you identify which point is the vertex? Is it point X, point Y, or point Z? Take a moment. Now let's identify the sides. Remember, sides are rays starting from the vertex. In this image, what are the two sides of the angle? Great job! To recap, every angle has a vertex, which is the corner point, and two sides, which are rays extending from that vertex. Keep practicing, and you will master geometry in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.